Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on Apple Watch. So if I have an Apple Watch, maybe it's the X9, X8, X1, X2, X3, Apple Watch Ultra, and I want to turn on the Apple Watch, whether your Apple Watch has cellular or GPS and cellular or both, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on your Apple Watch, all you need to do is locate the two crown, press and hold it for like 5 seconds. Once you press and hold it for like 5 seconds, then you should see the Apple logo comes up. Once the Apple logo comes up, it's going to take your Apple Watch about 10 seconds again for your Apple Watch to turn on. So let's go ahead and do this. So once I press the YouTube crown and I see the Apple logo turns up, then I'm going to leave the Apple Watch to turn on itself. This is the Apple logo. Then let's hang on until the Apple Watch is turned on completely. The Apple Watch actually takes about 20 seconds to turn on, and then after that you're good to go. So that is basically how to turn on Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.